What do you do? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So this is just an update for auto trading. A lot of you asked me to make an update regarding to auto trading, triangular crypto arbitrage and all that. So in this video, just gonna get right into it, and we're gonna explore more opportunities, and we're gonna see how our auto trading is performing in real time and all that. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So as you can see, I'm already logged in right now, and if you've been a subscriber to the channel, you already know that right now we can pretty much do cross arbitrage. And with cross arbitrage, you simply buy cryptocurrencies from one exchange to another crypto exchange. For example, you could buy from Binance, and then you sell on Get.io and stuff like that. So that's cross arbitrage, and you can pretty much read more about cross arbitrage if you click on guides. By the way, the link to the skin is also going to be in the description below as well. And this is where exactly you can learn pretty much anything about cross arbitrage, right? But with triangular crypto arbitrage, you simply take advantage of price differences between three pairs on a single exchange. So if you want to do cross arbitrage, you're simply gonna have to click right here, and then right you have to select an exchange that you want to buy from. So consider there's a bunch of crypto exchanges right here, and if you've got an account in any of these crypto exchanges, then you can just take advantage of cross arbitrage. It's very simple, but also you must also take a look at the fees of a cryptocurrency that you're choosing. For example, if you want to take advantage of XRP, then you know that you're not going to pay a lot of fees. Or you want to take advantage of TRX, you know that you're not going to pay a lot of fees. Right now, when it comes to fees, it's not a big issue anymore. Or even Ethereum right now is very cheap when it comes to transaction fees. You'd pay less than 50 cents. So that's why also I've been taking advantage of cross arbitrage. For those who are in a private group, you already know which crypto exchanges we've been taking advantage of. And right now you can see that there's a lot of crypto exchanges, including Altcoin Trader and all that. These are all good crypto exchanges for triangular crypto arbitrage. And you already know that we have done a lot of live videos on this channel. For example, take advantage of Binance and London Crypto Exchange. We did a lot of live arbitrage videos on this channel. Back then it wasn't easy, but right now, because of a scanner, we simply scan for all these opportunities, right? So right here you select where you want to buy, or where you have got your capital, which exchange you have got your capital, and then right here you select where you want to sell, and then the scanner is just gonna scan for available opportunities, right, and then give you the coins that you have to take advantage of, right? So other than that, I also wanted to show you triangular crypto arbitrage, and of course I've got auto trading running, and we're gonna get right into it also. So as you can see, this is a simple dashboard for manual triangular crypto arbitrage. On this channel, I've done a lot of triangular crypto arbitrage trades, and if you've been a subscriber to the channel, you can just you already know that we've been taking advantage of Binance, Get.io, Bybit, OKX, and all those exchanges. Very, very simple stuff. Right here you have to choose the exchange that you want to use. For example, let's say you want to take advantage of Get.io, you choose Get.io. Right here, put the amount that you want to trade with. A lot of people ask me how much can I start with. I recommend any amount from 20 USD is good. And right here, choose the number of opportunities that you want to see. So 20 is a default, right? But you can pretty much increase that. And this is how exactly you scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on an exchange. And it's very, very simple. The scanner is going to scan for opportunities and then give you the opportunity, and it's also going to show the time when it's going to expand, stuff like that. If opportunity disappears, then you don't need to take it and all that. So most of the opportunities can pretty much last up to maybe like 3 minutes or 6 minutes, and you can pretty much repeat the same opportunity over and over again. And later on, I was thinking maybe we can just pretty much go live, and then we start taking advantage of these opportunities live and all that good stuff. That would be great. All right, so as you can see, this is Get.io trading on Get.io. This scanner has been running for like 4 hours and stuff like that. It was down, of course, but at least now we're recovering. So far, this is how much we have only made at the moment. but you can see that the scanner has been taking trades in real time and everything, and it's just executing, you know, all the available opportunities that it can find in real time as fast as possible. And you can see that some opportunities, you know, some trades are negative and stuff like that, but you don't really have to pressure yourself and worry about things like this, because most of these opportunities are profitable opportunities. So what's happening is it keeps on executing same opportunity as soon as possible until it disappears and is running in real time. So all we have to do is just to let the scanner run and stuff like that, and after that you pretty much, you know, come up with some profits and everything. If you need support, you can just click right here and you're gonna get all the supports and stuff like that. Or if anything goes wrong, there's a team willing to help every time. And if you want to learn more about triangle crypto arbitrage and everything, you can just go to guides right here, and this way exactly you're gonna get help. But other than that, guys, my name is Arthur, and on this channel I make videos about crypto, forex and everything. And without further ado, guys, awesome video, love and peace, and the link to the scanner is gonna be in the description below. Cheers, guys.